Today you're going to learn how to talk about football scores in Albanian like a native. Not just numbers, but how Albanians actually say them. So let's get into it. In Albanian, we say scores like this. 2-1, 2-1. 2-1. 3-0, 3-0. 3-0. 1-1, 1-1. 1-1. So in English you say 1-1. In Albanian you say 1 with 1. A small distinction there. The words for victory, draw, and loss are fitore, victory, fitore, barazim, a draw, barazim, and humbje, a loss or defeat, humbje. Për shembull, ekipi fiton 2-1. The team wins 2-1. Ekipi fiton 2-1. Ata fituan me 2 gola diferencë. They won by 2 goals difference. Ata fituan me 2 gola diferencë. Rezultati përfundoi barazim 1-1. The result ended in a 1-1 draw. Rezultati përfundoi barazim 1-1. Ata humbën 2-1. They lost 2-1. Ata humbën 2-1. So because of this short video, now you can talk about scores like a real football fan in Albanian. See you in our next lesson in Learning Albanian through Sports.